In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Active Trader. We'll begin by opening Thinkorswim Desktop and heading to the Trade tab. From there, select Active Trader, then enter the symbol you want to trade. Once the layout opens, you'll typically see a chart on the left, the Active Trader ladder on the right, and your buy, sell, and order controls above the ladder. This setup is designed to help you monitor price action and place trades quickly from one screen. Next, it's important to understand the price ladder itself. The ladder shows market activity at each price level, including trading volume, bid size, ask size, the current price area, and any working orders you already have in the market. The highlighted area marks the current market price, and you can zoom the ladder in or out if you want a tighter or broader price view. That can be especially useful depending on how actively the symbol is moving. Before placing any order, set your share size above the ladder. Choose the quantity you want to trade. Then select your time in force, such as day or GTC. You can also choose an order template if you want a faster setup. Many traders create preset share quantities like 100, 500, or 1000 shares so they can react more efficiently without re-entering numbers every time. To place a limit order, find the price you want on the ladder. If you want to buy, click the bid side at that price, review the order, and send it. If you want to sell, click the ask side at your chosen price, then confirm and send the order. One of the biggest advantages here is that you can place your order directly at the exact price level you want without manually typing it in. If you want immediate execution instead, use the large buy market or sell market buttons. These send your order at the best available market price. Just be careful during fast-moving conditions because the final fill may be different from the price you see on screen. Another very useful feature is instant order modification. If you already have a working order on the ladder, simply click and drag it to a new price level